Right, what is up, Firechicken friends? I am headed out for a little ride, testing all of my new bags and camping equipment. So we'll be taking just a little ride to test out the bags and see how the bike handles with the extra weight and whatnot. And then we'll be doing some at-home camping in my guest room slash gym. So far so good. She feels a little heavier with all the gear. I have my tail bag converted to tank, and then I have a little dry bag on my seat in the back, and some fly racing saddlebags. Once we get to the park, I'll stop and show you the bike and how I have it set up. The other thing I did was I bled my brakes and did an oil change. And so far the brakes feel better, but not like miles apart, not that big a difference. Firechicken! Firechicken. Yeah, I definitely feel the extra weight. I get a little bit more suspension dive, and she kind of wants to sit up and move around a little bit more when I bam into the next gear. She definitely has a little more resistance to forward momentum with the extra weight. Oh, that thing is so cool. He's got that thing ready for the track. That's fucking great, man. I love it. Yeah, so far pretty comfortable. I do notice the extra weight a little bit. Let's give the cyclist a wave. Hi. Okay, he did not wave to us. Could have waved to the kid. I could have waved to the kid instead. I wasted it on bicycle guy. Is there gonna be any shade here at the park? Yes, I think I know where some shade is. Firechicken, away! All right, let's check out the Firechicken in ADV mode. Bam! I've got sleeping bag in here, flip-flops, clothes, GoPro gear. I don't have frames, so my bags are sitting in. Please excuse the fact that it's ugly. And then, yeah, my hammock tent and a few other things. Pretty much I have everything on here at the moment that I would need to camp. I'm missing water and, you know, snacks and stuff, but that's what I have my backpack for. And, you know, I'm not going to be doing big touring from this thing, so I plan to stop and eat and whatnot. Alright, back on the Firechicken, back out on the road. Ah, mesh jacket! You are my best friend. Actually, you are the viewer. Actually, you may be my best friend watching. I don't know. I don't think he watches my videos. Shout out to Ben, if he does. Yeah, she's much slower with this weight. It's amazing what just a few pounds will do. I mean, 50 pounds worth of gear, and she feels quite sluggish. I was like already in nine and a half, 10 grand first gear, and it's just like, what the fuck? It's not going anywhere. Everybody loves the Firechicken. Back in the neighborhood. We're moving a little bit, so I'll put that down. You can hear me. What's going on down here? Construction. No hands! Scared you, didn't I? There you go, kids. My first street tricks. No hands, feet to the front. Fucking idiots. Just gonna come right out, ain't you? That's why I honked at you. The Firechicken honk is a sad honk, but I'd rather have the Firechicken bork at you than you hit me. Time to pull in and set up camp. Alright, excuse the mess. I went a little nuts yesterday setting up camp. You know, my riding gear over there. But yeah, here's the hammock stand that I will use when car camping and whatnot. And then this is my camping hammock. It's pretty cool because it's just like a regular hammock one way. And then the other side, if you flip it over, it has some poles and some mosquito net. I'm gonna set that up so you can check that out. Yeah! Bam! There it is in tent mode. It's got a pretty generous headroom when you have it set up with the poles. Yeah, that's pretty friggin' cool. I tried it out last night. It's pretty comfortable. I slept pretty decent. Hopefully soon we will be going to camp to test it out for real. Until then, thanks for riding with me. You guys have a good one. Please like, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate it. It really helps me grow the channel. See you guys.